Hey guys, I want to hop on here real quick and give you a quick lesson about mobile homes, what to look for. So I was riding through this park driving for dollars, and I want to show you. See how this home steps up at the top? This is called a double-decker mobile home. Now, if you see a home like this with this double thing at the top right here, you want to stay away from these homes because they're darn near impossible to move, especially how old they are. It's probably a 70s or 80s model, or probably a 70s models, but I'll tell you guys, mobile home companies will not move these. Movers will not transport these double-decker homes. They're either called double-deckers or step-up homes. There's a step inside the mobile home. And normally what happens is when they're transported, these things are probably snap in half. So you want to avoid these at all costs. Only deal with these homes. That's why you see it being evicted. There's an eviction notice on the door. So they probably, well, that's why the dumpsters out here. They're probably going to tear it down because no one wants to move it. So don't purchase anyone else's headache. Avoid double-decker step-up homes. So it's a quick tip to help you guys out. All right.